Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer money from MoneyGram to GCash. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that you have the recipient's GCash registered mobile number, and this will help you transfer money instantly and securely. So the first thing that you will have to do is log into your MoneyGram account online or open the app. And then what you will do is you will click send money in app or send money online or send money at location. So it really depends on you. And after that, you will just have to either you will just have to click send money to, and then you will have to select either bank account or mobile wallet. And after that, you will just have to choose the Philippines as the destination country and select GCash. And then you will enter the recipient's GCash mobile number and the amount to send. And finally, you will just have to pay using your preferred method and note the reference number. The recipient will receive the funds in their GCash wallet within minutes, and you will just have to share the reference number for verification. And yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.